Modak recipe. Before proceeding to the recipe, let's first take 2 minutes to understand what is modak and why it is offered to Ganpati on Ganesh Chaturthi festival. Modaks are steamed dumplings made from rice flour and have stuffing of grated coconut, dried fruits, and jaggery. Steamed modaks are also known as Ukadiche Modak and traditionally eaten with a dollop of ghee on top. But these can also be prepared in variety of ways like mawa modak, fried modaks, chocolate modaks, and dried fruit modaks. The word modak means happiness. It has different names in different languages. It is called modakam in Telugu, modaka in Kannada, modak in Marathi and Konkani, Kolkata in Malayalam, and Kolkattai in Tamil. We all know that modak or laddu is considered to be Lord Ganesha's favorite food. There are a couple of interesting stories regarding why Ganesha is fond of modak. One of that is once Lord Shiva and goddess Parvati along with Ganesha visiting Anusuya, the wife of Atri, an ancient rishi. While Lord Ganesha was presented with a platter full of mouth-watering delicacies, but nothing was able to satiate his hunger. He ate everything that was served to him and asked for more and more. Anusuya thought of serving something sweet to Lord Ganesha and she served him modaks, which finally satiated his hunger. Lord Ganesha burped loudly and also Lord Shiva burped 21 times. Goddess Parvati asked Anusuya about the sweet she had served and then expressed a wish that devotees of Ganpati will always offer 21 modaks to him. From then, it is considered to be Ganpati's favorite sweet. Another interesting story is Lord Ganesha fought with the sixth avatar of Lord Vishnu, Parshurama. During this fight, Lord Ganesha's tooth was broken and he was not able to eat anything. Soft modaks were slathered with ghee that melted in his mouth, and from then it is believed that modak became his favorite food. Last one is once the Devas came to visit Shiva and goddess Parvati and gifted them a modak. It was a very special modak as the person who ate the modak would become knowledgeable in all scriptures, science, art and writing. Goddess Parvati wanted to present it to her sons, Lord Ganesha and Lord Kartik, but the brothers were not ready to share it. So a confused goddess Parvati finally asked them to take a test that whoever among them proved the true meaning of sincerity and devotion would get the sweet. Lord Kartik immediately mounted on his Vahan and started visiting all the spiritual places while Lord Ganesha went around Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati to showcase his unconditional love towards his father and mother. Impressed by Lord Ganesha's explanation of true meaning of devotion, Goddess Parvati gave him the modak. So without any further delay, let's prepare modaks. You can note down the ingredients from here. First of all, we will make stuffing. For that, heat ghee in pan and add poppy seeds and saute a bit. Then add chopped cashew nuts and almonds and saute for 1 minute. After that, add fresh coconut shredded and a pinch salt. Add crushed jaggery and saute for 2 to 3 minutes. In last, add nutmeg powder, that is Jaiphal powder, and cardamom powder. Saute for a minute and take it out in a bowl to cool down. Now let's prepare the dough. For this, heat 1 tablespoon ghee in pan and add half cup milk, 1 and half cups water, a pinch salt and let it warm. Meanwhile, mix rice flour and sago flour together. Once milk water mixture is hot, add rice flour and sago flour mixture in that and mix well until flour absorbs all water. You can add 1 to 2 tablespoon water if needed in case mixture is too dry. Cover it with lid and keep it on low flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Then switch off flame and take it out to a big plate and knead well after adding 1 teaspoon ghee. As the dough would be quite hot, so use any steel bowl or small glass to knead first and then do it with hand until it becomes smooth and soft. It will take 5 to 8 minutes in total for kneading. Now dough is ready and let's fill the stuffing and prepare modak. I prepare this in round shape like laddus. Take a lemon-sized ball of dough and flatten it with rolling pin baler and fill stuffing and make a ball. Prepare all modaks in same way. You can use hands to flatten it and shape. Boil water in steamer and keep banana leaves on steamer plate where we will keep all modaks. Now keep all modaks in steamer and brush it with saffron milk and then steam modaks for 10 to 12 minutes. Modaks are ready now. You can serve them with ghee or as it is. Enjoy! Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.